Hi, what's going on, guys? Today we are talking about what different directions to mow, how to stay on top of it, and how many directions I choose, and how often I do that. So, starting off, let's explain the diagram. So this is the road, this is the neighbor house, this is another neighbor's house, this is the driveway of the property that you're doing, this is their house, and this is their lawn. So you're going to go from the perspective of being on the road looking at their house and going based off of this lawn. So over here, this is my considered point of reference. So every point I have goes here except for the final one. So first mowing is from here to here. Second one is from here to there. Third, fourth, fifth, and then on the 6th week, I'm not going to that corner and I'm gonna go to the opposite. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different directions. So depending on when you mow, most people mow every 10 days. This is a 60-day cycle because this is day 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So that means by the time you get back to this one, it has been basically 2 months since you last gone. And the reason why we changed the direction is because we do not want to get grooves into the lawn. Grooves in the lawn makes a uneven cut. It makes it difficult to go into grooves. The grass grows longer in those grooves than it does in the center. In the center part, because it's higher up, it's closer to the mower. If you're cutting to leave 3 inches, the part that goes deeper than 3 inches is going to be, I don't know, 5, depending on your groove. And then because the groove is going to go in that deep, this other part is not going to be cut at 3 inches. So it's going to leave it very short. And it's better to switch up the directions. So this is my strategy to make sure that I don't forget what direction. I based all my mowings on the corner here, and so, first 10 days, all my mowings are going in this direction. Then the next 10 days, they're all going in this direction. And then the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th. So that's how I remember, because everyone else is getting cut that way. And so I just have to remember that, when the 10 days are up, which, if you have clients that are set and they're all 10 days, it's pretty easy to remember, like, okay, I finished my 10-day cycle, time to move on to the next cycle. It gets a little tricky when when you have some that are 7-day clients versus 10 versus like 14. That's something you have to keep track of.